treat you like a goddess. Not what you want me to do. Sorry, I treat you like you're perfect. And all your little loyal subjects do. Sorry, I'm not made of sugar. And I'm not doing that for you. That was always for you. And it's such an inconvenience to you. I'm just your problem. I'm just your problem. Like I'm not even a person, and I'm just your problem. Well, I shouldn't have to justify what I do. I shouldn't have to I'm sorry that look at the door. On your blacklist, but I shouldn't have to be the one that makes up with you. So why do I want to? Why do I want to bury you in the ground and drink the blood from your